and especially in France, we are facing a huge increase of installation volume during summertime. And we could say that half of the installation of large equipment, so meaning CT, MR, vascular and all radiology, are performed in only 3 months during summertime. And because of this peak of activity, teams are facing difficulties to give enough resources and enough equipment to perform this installation. To resolve our issue, we definitely need an application that will be embedded in Salesforce and to gather all data in real time and to, at the end, give the commercial team the visibility of how many resources are available to perform every step of the installation project. The development of this application was also a big challenge because we have to develop in only 3 months, and thanks to the agile methodology used by Capgemini and also the commercial team here, we success doing that. The first benefit was of course to improve the collaboration between the sales team and the services team. The second benefit was for sure financial benefits because we avoid any overcost, any waste in the installation management, and for France this can raise $1 million every year. And the final one and the best one is the customer satisfaction, because when we are able to commit on the planning for the installation of this equipment, the customer gets confidence in GE, and this is the best reward. Regarding the collaboration with the Capgemini, it was an incredible partnership because of their reactivity. They fully understand the issue we are facing. This is the first step of a long way of partnership with the Capgemini. Today the application is available only for France, and we know that there is a big demand from all Europe and also for all the world. So definitely this is not the end of the story.
I would like to thank you, especially all the team of GE Healthcare, who were very open and shared a lot of information with Capgemini's teams, and that's why we really developed a very strong relationship between Capgemini and GE Healthcare.